Hey guys, welcome to my Friday update. This is Janice, the Internet Marketing Nomad. I thought it would be nice to come down to the lake to shoot you this 5-minute video. I'm currently in Soyuz, British Columbia in Canada, and it's supposed to be a scorcher today. So I thought I'd get this out of the way and then come and hang out down on the beach there or something. And anyway, I'll get on with it. So just wanted to let you know that GDLC, Guaranteed Downline Club, is scheduled to launch this weekend. So I don't think it's going to happen tomorrow, but tomorrow is Saturday the 30th. But there will be a webinar tomorrow night at 5 p.m. I'll put the link to register for it in the email and also below this video. And hopefully they're going to tell us that they're launching on Sunday. So I hope you're all prepared for that. Make sure your list is all updated and get your landing page ready to switch over to your affiliate link. So that's it about GDLC and the webinar. I also wanted to mention too that one of my team members has just been killing it with Make Money Even. I am so blown away. I made a video, it's in my YouTube channel already, where I mention him. And this guy has absolutely no technical skills at all. He doesn't have an autoresponder or anything like that, but he's using every free method that he can to promote Make Money Even. And I'm just totally blown away that he's doing so well. So to know that, maybe it can help you know that if whatever you want to promote, you don't have to spend a lot of money to get out there and make money. So I just wanted to plug that little, put in that little plug for my team member. And then the other thing is, on Sunday there's a new product coming out called Insta Quick Cash, and it's made by a girl called Akhtar. She's only been affiliate marketing for 3 months, and she's already coming out with her first product. So I'm going to be doing a review on that. And with this product, she says what she's going to be teaching you is that how you can make money with Instagram, and not the usual methods that we find all over the internet or that other gurus are teaching us. Apparently she has something new for us, and you don't even need an Instagram account to be able to make money with this method. So watch out for that. It's coming out on May 31st, I believe at 9 a.m. Eastern. And yeah, I'm really excited for her. She's super nervous about this being her first product, but I'm going to do my best to support her and get traffic to her website, so or to her product. So anyway, stay tuned for that. And just wanted to show you, this is where I'm living right now. I don't live in the front part. I live in a building right behind it, and there's a swimming pool there. I've been here for the past month and a half, and if the sun doesn't get in the way, this is the beautiful view of Soyuz Lake. Yeah, today's going to be my first day hanging out on the beach. It's been pretty nice out, but I've been really busy with my business and a few other things. We've got our own private boat launch here for the building, and it's really beautiful here. I'm considering moving here. This is just temporary. But anyway, you guys, stand by for those things. Make sure you register for tomorrow's webinar if you're not already on the registration list. And if you are, try to be there. There will be a replay, but they don't get them posted right away. So if they tell us they're launching on Sunday morning, you really want to be prepared. So anyway, that's it for me, Janice, and I hope you are all doing well. I hope you and your families are all staying healthy and safe wherever you are. And yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's email. Okay, bye for now.